On Tuesday, Mango Television of China signed a memorandum of understanding with Chinese technology giant Huawei and with Kenyan media houses. The aim is to enhance the production, distribution, and consumption of high-quality content in Kenya. Senior government officials and executives from Mango TV, Huawei, and leading Kenyan television stations attended the signing ceremony in Nairobi, the Kenyan capital. Through Huawei's cloud service, Mango TV and Kenyan media houses will have a platform for sharing entertainment and educational content.
Having Mango TV in Kenya is a huge opportunity for Kenyan creatives. This provides an array of opportunities in terms of job creation. And Kenya would like to deepen further the collaboration between Kenya and China.
The partnership between Mango TV and the Kenyan TV or Kenyan media outlets is a strategy because I'm looking forward to see how we can integrate our content with the content from China, how we can use their technology to also share our content that is Kenyan produced with markets in China and also across the world.
The consumption habits of TV viewers is changing. Consumption habits of all media outlets is changing anyway. They're moving on to mobile platforms. They want content on demand. So we have to be ready at that time. That's why we need partners like Huawei in terms of cloud computing. We need external content partners because we're not able to generate enough content.